Here's how you can install an SSD in your computer.
First thing you need to do is to take off the front panel. There's a way to easily put this in. Take your SATA pin, align the L shape of the socket with the L shape of the SATA cable. The L shape is crucial because this would define how the SATA cable will go inside of the socket. Now take the other end of the SATA cable, align the L with the L of the SATA SSD. This should also pop right in. Now for cable management of the power cable, you need to align the L shape of the power cable with the L shape of the SATA power connector. Again, it should pop right in. For some trial and errors, you would be able to put it. So voila! You have easily installed your SSD into your PC.